Hi, this is Jim Phillips with Remember Veteran Grave Markers. Today we're going to introduce a new series we have. It's called Tools of the Trade, Getting Started. I hope you enjoy it. Welcome to the Getting Started series, Tools of the Trade. Let's get into this. I'd like to share with you the first tool that you probably ought to get for your toolbox, your grave cleaning toolbox. And it's a simple one. It's a whisk. A whisk is a simple broom, and it is used to be able to clean off a grave quickly. Now, it's not probably the only thing you're going to ever use, but it's going to be the first thing because it does help clear off things that you're there for. Most of the people that tend to do this kind of stuff look at sometimes they'll use a blower, which is fine, but a whisk is simple. You go up there and use it. Very similar to the whisk that would be used by an umpire in a baseball game. You go there, clean it off. That's it. Simple as that. Keep in mind, that's a great tool to have. Consider using it. Until the next one, take care.